Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional website and host it for free using Canva. This is a quick overview of the website we will be creating today. This website contains clickable links and also directs the users to mail should they want to send you an email. Ensure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss out any step. To get started, you will firstly need to log into your browser and search for Canva. We will also leave the link in the description below. You then need to log into Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, don't worry, you can sign up in just a few seconds, it's free of charge. Now that you are logged in, click on Websites to get started. We'll be creating this website from scratch, so click on Create Blank Website. To get started, click Text on Dashboard to add some text. Alternatively, you can click letter T on your keyboard. Now, we'll add the content as needed. We'll make this our logo. Now right-click and select Duplicate option to duplicate text. We're now adding our navigation. We'll keep duplicating text and changing the content. To align correctly, use Click Position and Tidy Up. Now let's design our logo text to make it look attractive. We'll simply change the font and apply some colors. Next up, we'll duplicate text and make a title for our landing page. We'll change font and size to make it stand out. We'll also change the content. We'll now add text below the main title. Now we're creating the action button. We'll name it Get Started. We'll add a square element and size it accordingly and at color. To style the button, we'll go to the Elements options and make it round in corners. Now we'll go to Elements and search for Paintbrush and add it to the right side of the page. We'll increase its size accordingly and change it color. Now we'll search for frames under Elements. We'll select our preferred frame, change its color, and then drag and drop images into each frame to insert images. Let's also group this text and shape to make the button not separate. Now, the home page is complete. Let's add other pages of the website. Click Add Page to add new page. We'll copy existing text and make changes to it to represent content of that particular page. We'll also add a line to style it a bit. We'll decrease the line size, increase its weight, and change color so it goes with website colors. Now, the same process will be used to complete the remaining pages of the website. To make this video short as possible, I'll now speed up a video a bit with music on the background to keep you entertained while enjoying this tutorial. A voiceover will be added again when I show you how to insert links. Okay, now it's time to add links to the video. To add links, you click on the text you want to add the links to, right-click on your mouse, select the link option and select the page you want to redirect to when a user click on that option. For the email link, use the same process. However, insert the displayed code in order for the link to take users straight to the email to send an email to you instantly. After the mail to command, insert your own email address. And just like that, we've created our professional website. Now it's time to publish it. Click on Publish Website. But first, let's quickly rename the site. Click on Free Domain. Click Continue. Now give your site a name to be used as URL. Click Continue. Now make restrictions as per your requirements and click Continue to confirm publishing your website. Our website has been successfully published. Let's preview our website. This takes us to end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching until this point. For more videos like this, please hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you on my next video.